What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this video, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think of all the content, all the videos, everything. Yeah, let's just get straight into this one. So we've got more shorts reviews. Obviously it is summertime, and I'll be honest, if you ain't wearing shorts in this weather, there must be something wrong with you. I've seen a lot of people in jeans and joggers. I just look at them and start sweating. But yeah, we've got the Adidas Originals shorts. This is the grey colorway, so they're called like the side stripe shorts. The proper name will be in the title. This is in the grey colorway, so as you can see inside, it's got that type of brushed inside. We've got the embroidered Adidas logo in white. Then we've got the side stripes on one side, same thing on the other side, stripes, no logo. Then what I love the most about the shorts, those good old zip pockets. They are quite big as well. It's a good size pocket, I'll be real. Deep, nice deep pocket. You can see, literally, you can't even see my wrist. Nice good deep pocket on those. And yeah, it's really simple, clean pair of shorts, I'll be honest. It's the zip pockets that get me the most. Quality is quite good. I've bought 2 pairs of these. I've got them in black, I've got them in blue, I've got them in many different colors. But I really do like, you know, the shorts, the way they fit. They are slightly long, so like over the knee, if you like over the knee shorts. Yeah, that's really all from me about these shorts. Just letting everyone know what they look like, kind of closer view. Make sure you check out all the other content, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.